Let's see what stretch is. So if you read the cue card, it stretches objects crossed by a selection window or polygon. Alright, we can stretch it. We can stretch our object pretty much. So before using that, I want to let you know that I want to stretch my this internal wall, and I want to increase it, let's say up to here. So let's first measure it here to here. It's 2 feet. Let's say I want to make it 3 feet, right? So how do we do that? Let's go for a stretch and then cross selection, press enter, and let's say specify my base point right over here, and then go for 1 feet. That looks neat. And if I measure it now, it's 3 feet. So using the stretch command right over here, I have increased my internal wall uh, distance, and you can pretty much use it to stretch any drawing, or can do stuff like that, right? You can also decrease it. uh, let's say if you want to decrease it, how you can do is go for stretch, select your object. Okay, so it's not selected properly. Stretch, select your object, press enter, specify my base point, go in for about 1 feet, and now it's, if I measure it, it's back to 2 feet, right? I'll undo it for now because I need the 3 feet. That was the stretch command.